Hi, this video is going to be on the plot of Much Ado About Nothing. Now, the play is a comedy, and if we follow the structure of the play, we can see how we end up at a typical Shakespearean comedy ending, which is one that's happy and ends with weddings. And we have two key relationships in the play, that being Benedict and Beatrice and Claudio and Hero, which sort of mirror and weave it in and out of each other throughout the play. And if we follow this structure, we can see how we end up there. So the first instance we have is our exposition, and this is where all of the key characters are introduced, and we have the dynamics set up for them. So with Benedict and Beatrice, we have their witty, sort of playful banter set up for them, and we have Claudio saying that he has fallen in love with Hero at first sight, and this is a good sort of setup for what their relationships are going to be like in the play. And then secondly, we have our rising action, and for Claudio and Hero, this is where Claudio is tricked into thinking that Hero has been unfaithful to him, and with Benedict and Beatrice, this is where their friends trick them into thinking that either one of them has confessed their love for each other. And this brings us to the climax of the play, also the turning point of the play for our characters, and this key event is when Claudio denounces Hero on their wedding day. So we have the characters sort of split in two and choose their sides for this. And after the climax, everything from then on starts to get better for our characters. So with our falling action, we have Hero, Claudio realising that Hero is innocent, and we also have with Benedict and Beatrice, with their relationship, because Benedict has stood up for Hero, Beatrice starts to see a more pleasant side to him in this regard. And this is how we end up at the play's ending. And for this we have, of course, a typical Shakespearean comedy ending with both of the couples deciding to get married. So hopefully you can see, if you follow this structure, how we end up at our typical Shakespearean comedy ending. Thanks for listening.